So, as you guys saw in the last video, the introduction, you all know what we're doing here. I don't know how many part series this is going to be. This might take me a long, not a long time, but a good while. With tool reviews and this, we'll probably throw tool reviews in while we're doing this. Just so, you know, everything I use, I'll make sure to show it off or let you guys know what I'm using. And if I miss one, make sure to put a comment down below as to what the hell I'm doing or using in the videos. So let's get rid of the battery. Let's hopefully get rid of all the panels, and maybe we can get to the shell and start to see what we got to work with. So I'm not gonna try to make too long videos. I don't like making some long, boring ass videos. So let's get started with some body panels. So real quick, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be throwing bolts in. I picked this up. I was going to make a socket organizer, which is why I had holes in it, but it ended up not working out quite like I wanted it to, so I abandoned that. But we're going to use this to organize our bolts. There is more organizers, slot thingies like this I can put in here, but I think this will work for right now. We'll move it along as we go. As you can see, it has two snaps on the side, snaps on the other side, locks into other boxes and stuff. So we'll give this one a good workaround. And just real quick, snap, we're gonna start using our little snap-on gun. And it's our Blackhawk Allen sockets, which I believe this is a 4 millimeter is what it'll be to remove all these nuts, Allen head things. Weird fucking Japanese, or I don't know, maybe this thing's made in China. I'm not sure. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you know where this thing is fucking made. Let's get going. Well, that didn't take very much. So as you can see, everything's cut. There's wires hanging out everywhere. There's vacuum lines or whatever. Fuel lines just fucking off in the wind. Huh. Alright. That makes things easy. Let's go to the other side. Alright, let's get this panel removed. Alright, we'll just throw that over there. And okay, let's get some of these screws out. I'm not liking this box idea. Let's see how this goes. What's this do? Yeah, that definitely helps. Alright. Hey look, one fell out. Nice. Alright, cool. We'll make sure to not completely destroy those. Oh, yep, more stuff just hanging in the wind. Somebody definitely had their go at this, and fucking shit is just everywhere. Alright, other side now. Ooh, a little key. That doesn't just come out. Oh, yeah, it does. Oh, we'll have to go find the key for that. Let's just keep going for now. Bucket! Well, we'll keep going to the other side. Fuck it. Fucking already don't like this shit. Oh yeah, Phillips. God damn it. Fucking have some consistency here. Hey, that one's the first one that had a washer on it. Shit, maybe that might be something I need to remember. I won't remember that shit. Okay, keep going. 1, 2 on the other side, dickhead. Oops. Oh, fuck it. Any more? Oh, yeah, there's 9 on there. Just one more. I wonder how this piece. We'll have to unwire all that shit. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, let's get rid of those Phillips screws. Let's see what this DeWalt can do, even though these are really light screws and I've already used the shit out of this drill. Poke it! Let's keep going, I guess. Alright, well, let's give these high quality sockets. Let's give them a go. And my fucking wonderful fucking Sonix impact swivel fucking extensions. Alright, get rid of that piece of together. Yep, we'll just put that one back. We'll very dangerously put it back in with the impact on. There you go. I like how everybody always says, like online, you know, if you ever watch anything about anything, you know, if they're using an impact driver, they always say don't do that. But they're like, but I'm going to do it anyways. Like, you can do it. Just be fucking careful. Don't be an idiot. Like me. Come on. Alright, I'm going to start cutting fucking wiring harnesses. Let's get rid of these fucking relays. Come on. Oh yeah. Oops. Oh shit, I'm still filming. God damn it. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. Apparently nothing but gravity is holding this gas tank on. Oh, I need the key. Alright, I'll go find the key later. Let's keep going. Alright, I wonder what it's going to take this fucking manifold off. Okay. Or, I mean, intake. Airbox, whatever you want to call it. Alright. What's that thing? Let's see what we got. Ooh. Ah. Dirty. Ooh, a little greasy. Okay, what are we going to do now? Let's see. What should we take off next? Should we finish taking off these body panels? Yeah, let's finish taking off the body panels. Yeah, so apparently the only thing that was holding this whole deal on was a single bolt that somebody just slid in there. So the likeliness, yeah, you know, this is all trash. The likeliness of me saving any of this is highly unlikely. Yeah, I guess that's the way the saying goes. But, yeah, this is all, I mean, look at, there's fucking wire nuts. I mean, what the fuck? Stranded 14 gauge wire. I mean, or, yeah, 14. Yeah, and you know what though? On the bright side, I think that looks fucking cool like that. Which, by the way, we got to keep this thing light as fuck because we're not putting a very powerful motor on there, and this frame's pretty fucking heavy to begin with. So we got to keep it as light as possible, kinda. Let's keep going. So there probably is a better tool for the job, like just going and getting the key. But I'm too lazy to walk 20 feet. And I've always wanted to try I've used them, but I never got to, let's see if we can get its focus for you. There you go. I never got to really utilize that high leverage cutter. And I'm sure this is a steel cable in there. Let's see how easy work it makes of it. I guess that wasn't too bad. I think a pair of dikes would have sliced through that a lot faster. But, oh well. Alright, let's start getting rid of all these hoses that we don't need. I mean, I like saving hoses. Fuck that hose, and fuck that hose. We'll just keep those attached to that for now. Let's see what else. What the hell? Alright, let's get rid of all these. I'll skip forward. Hang in there, guys. Quick little snippet here. I do love these Master Force wrenches. Made in USA. I believe this is this brand is made. Oh my god! Just focus, you piece. Oh, we're not gonna focus today, are we? Is that what we're doing? There you go. Wow, good little bitch. So, anyways, Master Force is a brand that's still made by Menards, or carried by Menards, but they move. I think Apex now makes their tools. I believe these were made originally by Armstrong, if I'm not mistaken. If anybody knows any better, comment down below. But these are fucking awesome, awesome wrenches. And they were great for the price when they were still being sold. So, that's our product that we have so far. Pretty much taken off all of the body effects or panels. Yeah, that's about all we're gonna get for today, guys. We're just doing body panels today. We'll do another video, and we'll get all the guts ripped from the belly of the beast. Well, it's not really gonna be a beast. It'll be more of a Tinkle Fairy type of thing, but that's fine. No biggie. It'll be fucking cool, guys. And make sure you fucking put comments and tell me, give me some ideas how we're gonna make this bitch look. I mean, we're gonna put some fucking mean 22s in the back, or what? We're gonna put some lowriders essay, or what? No, I'm just playing. We ain't doing that. But on the real, give me some ideas, man. Give me something. Tell me something. And follow Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Yeah. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys.